Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to repair damaged earpiece. If you want to repair it by yourself, please watch till the end so that you can repair it by yourself. As you can see, it's already been damaged and I'm going to repair it and show it. The connections are having loose and the sound is not even coming. You might be having confused how and where it has been connected. It's very simple to repair. Let's begin our video. This speaker is in working condition and the other one, which is already damaged, and the coil also already come out, and the wire I'm holding should be connected with the speaker. And this is the MI earphone basic which I got for free. You might be thinking it's joke, but it's real. I did not pay anything for earpiece, only I paid for delivery charge, which is ₹50 from my Paytm account. And if we talk about the sound quality, you will got ultra deep bass, which you will know when you hear it. And if you want to know how to get this earpiece for free, please watch till the end. I will tell at the end of the video. And this is the description list. And if you check on the total amount, it's written ₹50. It's up to you if you can trust it's fake or real. This is the auxiliary jack which we normally connect with phone. It has 4 colorful wires: red, green, blue and gold. The green is the positive right speaker, blue is the microphone, gold is the common ground, and red is the positive left speaker. The connection is confusing me too, so take out all the components and connection and do in a proper way from the beginning. Let me take out the connection from microphone through soldering iron. If you don't have any soldering iron, better buy or don't remove the wire from it. The microphone has 2 terminals, positive terminal and negative terminal. When you connect it, please don't connect wherever you want. It has polarity, so be careful. Take out the push to on switch also. Separate the wire easily. And the wire I'm holding is for the right speaker, which is gold and green. As I told above, that green wire is for the right speaker. Gold is the common ground and green is the positive right speaker. The wire I'm holding is for the auxiliary jack. Let me show you. This should be connected with it. And the red wire is for the left speaker, which I told above. I have to disconnect it and connect it properly. It's having some loose. The red one is coated, so I have to burn with mastic. When you burn the coated one, you will find one in copper wire, which is insulated copper wire. So when you are playing with mastic, you have to be very careful. And I have to burn the wire and take out the necessary one And do the same for the gold one. This one is blue, but don't worry, it's gold. The earpiece is different, so it's blue. And this is the left speaker. And let's move to the next step. One important thing when you are repairing the earpiece, connect the two wires of the speaker to the anode and cathode of the battery. It will make some creepy sound. And this one is the right speaker. When the sound comes, the earpiece is okay, and when the sound doesn't come, the earpiece is damaged inside. This one works. And this one will be the left speaker. This one also works. This one is for the right speaker. I have to disconnect it all and connect it properly. And the audio jack also have to be disconnected. And now I got the 4 wire, red, green, blue, gold. Please see the circuit diagram carefully. Now connect the red wire from the left speaker to the red of the auxiliary. And please connect it properly or else it will not work. It will lose when you are listening song. This one is showing blue, but it should be gold. Red one is the positive and gold should be negative. Please watch it carefully when I am connecting it, or else you won't be understand. Yes, I have connected. Again, connect the green wire from the right speaker to the green of the auxiliary and connect it properly. This one also showing blue. But the blue should be the green. The wire I am holding from the auxiliary is the green one, should be connected with the blue of the right speaker. The color at the speaker doesn't matter, it's green. The green means positive right speaker. As you can see, the wire I'm holding is for the right speaker ground. And the wire I'm holding, this one, for the left speaker ground. These two should be connected together, and at the last, these two will connect at the auxiliary ground. which is gold. As you can see on the circuit diagram, the two speaker ground are connected. So let's connect it. Please watch it carefully. And the wire I'm holding, this two, is the ground of the two speaker, should be connected together, which is gold in color. Connect the ground of the two speaker to the ground of the auxiliary, which is gold in color. The wire I'm holding, this one is from the two speaker and the another one is from the auxiliary, should be connected together as shown in the circuit diagram. One wire is left for microphone, which is blue in color. The microphone positive terminal should be connected with it, and the negative terminal to the ground of the auxiliary, which is gold in color. When you are connecting microphone, always check the polarity or else the microphone won't work. The left one is the positive and right one is the negative. The blue wire should be connected with the positive terminal. Let's solder. As I connect the positive terminal of the microphone to the blue wire of the auxiliary, connect the negative terminal of the microphone to the gold of the auxiliary. As I have connected it all, The reason why I didn't put the push to on switch because it is temporary repair. It won't affect any connection. It's to control the volume up and down and call, so it won't affect any connection. It's your choice whether you want to put it or not. Now let's check whether if this work or not. And yes, it's working. Please wear headphone for the better result to know the sound quality. And it seems the sound is coming from the phone, but it's not. The sound is coming from the two earpieces. If you wear headphone, you will know. If you still didn't understand the working, please comment down. And the microphone not working. It seems it's already damaged. And let's move to the MIF. Now time for free iPhone. Go to MIF, search coins or earn money, and click on the check-in, as you have to claim coins every day by downloading 3 games or 3 apps per day. You have to click here and install any 3 games you want, and after a few minutes it will show you congratulations, you got 30 coins. And the next you have to install 2 apps. Click here and download any 2 apps. You can install game also if you want. It will show you congratulations, you got 30 coins. And if you want to install it, you can install, and if you don't want it, you can delete later. And this one is the daily first download, which you can download only 1 game. You can redeem anyone which you like coupons, USB cable, MI earphone basic, MI power bank and all. Next I'm going to buy MI power bank, which I have 1140 coins. Now let me show you the proof. Open MI store and click on the account and tap all order. Here you can see my order. On the total amount I paid only rupees 50, which is for delivery charge. The price of the earpiece is rupees 399 and I paid only for delivery charge. Hope you like my video and thanks for watching.